Desi Ghee, a golden elixir, has graced kitchens for centuries, cherished for its versatility and rich history. This clarified butter, with its rich aroma and nutty flavor, is more than just a cooking fat, it's a culinary treasure. It holds a treasure trove of health benefits, making it a true superfood revered in traditional medicine and modern nutrition alike. Join me as we delve into the world of Desi Ghee and uncover its secrets, from its ancient origins to its contemporary uses. Desi Ghee is made by simmering unsalted butter until it separates into liquid fats and milk solids. This meticulous process removes water and milk solids, leaving behind pure golden butterfat that is rich and flavorful. This traditional method not only enhances its shelf life but also gives it a unique, granular texture that is highly prized. But the magic of Desi Ghee lies not just in its making but also in its incredible health-promoting properties, from aiding digestion to boosting immunity. For generations, Desi Ghee has been revered in India for its medicinal and culinary value. This golden elixir, made from clarified butter, has been a staple in Indian kitchens and medicine cabinets alike. Ayurveda, the ancient Indian system of medicine, considers Desi Ghee as a substance that promotes positivity and mental clarity. It is believed to balance the body's doshas, or energies, and is often used in various treatments and rituals. It was used to enhance wound healing, boost immunity, and promote longevity. Healers would apply it to wounds, knowing its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. In Indian households, Desi Ghee is more than just an ingredient. It is a symbol of love and care, often added to meals to enhance flavor and nutrition. It signifies purity, prosperity, and well-being. During festivals, Desi Ghee lamps are lit to invoke blessings and positive energy. From religious ceremonies to everyday cooking, Desi Ghee holds a place of honor. It is an essential part of festive meals and sacred rituals. Grandmothers would add a dollop to warm meals, believing it aids digestion and nourishes the body. This practice has been passed down through generations. Today, science is catching up with tradition, confirming the wisdom held in these age-old practices. Modern research supports its health benefits, making Desi Ghee a timeless treasure. Don't let its rich taste fool you. Desi Ghee is a nutritional powerhouse packed with essential nutrients that can benefit your health in numerous ways. It is abundant in fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, and K, essential for various bodily functions. Vitamin A supports vision, helping to maintain healthy eyesight and prevent night blindness, while vitamin D strengthens bones, ensuring they remain strong and resilient. It also aids in calcium absorption, which is vital for bone health. Vitamin E acts as an antioxidant, protecting cells from damage caused by free radicals, and supporting skin health by keeping it youthful and glowing. And vitamin K plays a crucial role in blood clotting, ensuring that wounds heal properly and preventing excessive bleeding. Beyond vitamins, Desi Ghee is a good source of conjugated linoleic acid, CLA, a fatty acid linked to several health benefits, including improved metabolism and immune function. CLA has shown potential in reducing body fat, improving heart health by lowering cholesterol levels, and even fighting cancer cells by inhibiting their growth and spread. These nutrients work together harmoniously, making Desi Ghee a valuable addition to a balanced diet. Incorporating it into your meals can enhance both flavor and nutrition, contributing to overall well-being. Section 4. From Gut to Brain, Desi Ghee's Holistic Health Benefits. One of the remarkable qualities of Desi Ghee is its ability to soothe and improve digestion. It contains butyric acid, a short-chain fatty acid that nourishes the gut lining and reduces inflammation. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals with digestive issues like irritable bowel syndrome or IBS. Desi Ghee's benefits extend beyond the gut. The medium-chain fatty acids, or MCFAs, in Desi Ghee are easily absorbed and used by the liver, providing a quick source of energy. These MCFAs are believed to enhance cognitive function and improve memory, making Desi Ghee a brain-boosting food. Section 5. Dispelling the myths, Desi Ghee and your health. For years, ghee has been unfairly demonized as an artery-clogging fat. This misconception stems from the general fear of saturated fats. However, recent research suggests that moderate consumption of healthy saturated fats, like those found in Desi Ghee, does not negatively impact heart health. In fact, Desi Ghee, in moderation, can be beneficial for the heart. It contains conjugated linoleic acid, or CLA, which has been linked to lower cholesterol levels and improved heart health. Additionally, the vitamins A and E in Desi Ghee act as antioxidants, protecting the arteries from damage. Section 6. Embrace the golden elixir, making Desi Ghee a part of your life. Desi Ghee, with its rich history and impressive health benefits, deserves a place in your pantry and on your plate. Incorporate it into your diet by using it as a cooking oil for sautéing vegetables, drizzling it over soups and stews, or simply spreading it on warm toast. Remember, moderation is key. Start with a teaspoon or two a day and gradually increase the amount as needed. Listen to your body and enjoy the wonderful aroma and taste of this